All right, guys, fall is here, which means it is the perfect time to give your lawn that final boost before we go into those cold winter months coming up. All right, so what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you guys how to give your lawn its last nitrogen blitz, so that way it can thrive going into the winter time and get a solid boost going into spring. All right, so stick around because I'm gonna show you guys everything you need to know in this video. Okay guys, so what we're gonna be using today is this awesome stuff right here. This is just pure urea nitrogen 4600, nothing else but nitrogen in here. This is a water soluble urea, which is going to be great because I'm going to go ahead and spray it down today. You could also use a ammonium sulfate in a granular product, which is what I used last year, and I'll go ahead and link that video up here somewhere. What you want to make sure that you're using though is a quick release nitrogen, because you want it to get into the lawn quickly. You want it to absorb fast. If you're using a slow release, you can't really tell, what's in the lawn, how much nitrogen is there and how much it's uptaking. You want to use a quick release nitrogen so that way you can get it into the lawn and it absorbs quickly. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to show you guys how to calculate how much nitrogen you'll be putting down. And it's quite simple, really. So for me, what I recommend doing on my lawn is 1/2 pound of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take out your calculator and you're gonna take 1/2 pound, which is what you're looking for, and you're gonna divide that by the amount of nitrogen. So we have 46% nitrogen here, so we're gonna divide that by 0.46. You get 1.086. For us, we'll go ahead and round up to 1.09. That means we need 1.09 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet to put down 1/2 pound of nitrogen for 1,000 square feet. That makes sense. So let's just say you want to do 2,500 square feet. So you'll take that 1.09 and you'll multiply it by 25 or 2.5. And that means that you'll need 2.71 pounds of nitrogen, of urea, to achieve your 0.5 pounds of nitrogen for that 2,500 square feet. So very easy to kind of convert and do that math. You do need to put it in water, and I suggest 1 pound of product per 1 gallon of water. That's kind of how I like to do it. If you get a little too heavy in certain areas, it can get problematic on you. So for me, I think 1 pound per gallon of water works well. Some people say more, some people say you can do less. I like to go with what I know, and that's also just kind of more of a comfort thing for me. So for us though, we're gonna be doing 1/2 pound of nitrogen on the lawn every week, and what's gonna happen is this is gonna green up. It's gonna fill back in, it's gonna look amazing, and then it's gonna darken up too, because urea is a huge piece of why the lawns will green up. If you look at green up products on the market, a lot of them contain iron, but a lot of them also contain urea. And the reason why is urea is a solid green up product. So when you see lawns like this, you throw urea down and it's gonna green everything up. It's gonna get nice and uniform and it's gonna look amazing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix this product up a little bit, and I'm actually gonna show you guys how quickly it dissolves in water so you don't have to worry too much. We're gonna go ahead and put this down today, 1/2 pound today, 1/2 pound next week, 1/2 pound the week after, and then we're just gonna keep going. And really, you wanna keep doing this until the season starts to cool down on you and the lawn kind of just stops growing. You stop seeing any of that growth. You can go ahead and cut back on this and stop putting it down, because at that point you're just wasting nitrogen. The grass isn't uptaking it anymore at that point, and so you can go ahead and stop once the grass basically stops growing. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow the grass to absorb a lot of that nitrogen, hold it over winter, and really use it coming into spring, and look solid coming out of winter time, and give you the fastest green up that you'll see on the entire block. Last year my lawn was greener than everybody else's lawn. Everybody else was still brown and dormant. Because I was able to put down nitrogen as long as possible, mine greened up faster than everybody else's. So again, we're gonna be going for the same thing. We're gonna be doing it back here. We'll be doing it in the front as well. So we'll go ahead and use our calculations, get our product out, and get our lawns looking really, really solid. So let me go ahead and mix this up real quick and get down on the lawn. All right guys, so since we're doing about 1,500 square feet, I'm gonna be putting in about 1.62 pounds of product into here to get our 1/2 pound of nitrogen down on the lawn. So I already have that all measured out. We're gonna go ahead and add it to our tank here, get it agitated a little bit, get it dissolved, and then we'll go ahead and get it down on the lawn. And so while that dissolves, I wanted to kind of go over something about where to find urea. The best place to go and get it is a feed store. There was one down the street from us, and I just kind of walked in, wasn't sure if they had it, and just kind of asked the guy behind the counter. I was like, hey, do you guys have just straight granular urea that is, water soluble? And it was $22 for that giant bag. that bag's gonna last me forever. For 46% nitrogen, that's as cheap as it comes, $22. I will link it down in the description for you guys if you guys can't find it. If maybe you don't have feed stores near you, I'll put a couple of them down there so you can go ahead and grab one. But if you have feed stores near you, check them out. They have the stuff there, all right? You can get it. Now that this is all dissolved, we're gonna go ahead and get down the lawn though, all right? One thing I do wanna note for you guys, if you do end up doing half a pound of nitrogen per week, you will be mowing 2 to 3 times a week, at least probably 2 times a week, right? You're gonna be mowing often, but it's gonna make everything look really, really good. It's gonna get it looking, solid, what you're looking for again. If you're doing half a pound every 2 weeks, you shouldn't be too bad, but again, you'll probably be doing, at least 1 mow a week. You should at least be doing 1 mow a week at this point. I'm expecting to do 2 to 3 back here going forward, probably to the remainder of the season until things start to slow down. But just wanted to, kind of touch on that. Putting down this much nitrogen is going to really accelerate that top growth of the grass. So let's go ahead and get it down though and get our lawns looking good again. All right guys, so there it is, as simple as can be. One product easily dissolved in water, and then you go ahead and spray it down. Now, like I said earlier, if you are not into spraying, if you don't have a backpack sprayer, if that's not something you want to do, ammonium sulfate is just as good. You'll have to change those calculations just a little bit because that is I think a 21% nitrogen versus the 46. So you have to change your calculations a little bit. Just switch out the 0.46 for the 0.21, and you're going to get the same amount. And you go ahead and spread that down, with your granular spreaders, and then go ahead and water that in. So it still works just as well. I did it last year. I had great success with it. This year though, since I found the urea, I did want to spray and get it down. I think honestly though, spraying gets a little bit more of a faster reaction from the lawn. It's able to absorb it a little quicker and still get those nutrients. I think both methods though work really well. It just depends on what you're into. If you want to spray, I think this is the better method. If you want to, go with a granular, ammonium sulfate is just as great as well. So you can't go wrong with either option. But now that we have everything down, I'm going to let the urea kind of sit on the grass blades for a little bit. I like to let it sit for about an hour or two, and then I'll go ahead and water it in for about 10-15 minutes and kind of get it down into that soil level. And what's going to happen is the grass is going to absorb, and then no time at all, we're going to really start seeing this thing bounce back and grow. I'm very excited to kind of see how this bounced back. I will do an update video kind of towards the end of the season though, just to kind of see how quickly and how fast this thing kind of grows in, and how it's looking compared to now. So that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, you guys know what to do. And as always, go out there and make it a great day. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one.